This video will show how to replace the backup battery that's on the main board of a Cirklon. The backup battery is there to hold the RAM contents when the machine's powered off, and also runs the real-time clock that keeps the time and date up to date. If you have a Cirklon that has a single mounting screw on the front panel in the middle, rather than these two screws on either side of the screen, then the position of the battery on the main board is slightly different and more difficult to get at. The tools you'll need are a 2mm hex driver and a flat blade screwdriver. First thing to do is turn the Cirklon over and remove the rear blanking plate. With the blanking plate off, you'll see that the battery is just at the top of the main board in here. It's just clipped into held in the holder by this spring clip at the top. To get it out, avoiding the CVIO board which may be there, and just pop a flat blade screwdriver in there and just lever the battery to the side. If you look in at the battery holder, you'll see that the upper contact sits there. The lower contact is this metal contact with a small pip that's supposed to contact the back of the cell. If you find that the battery is sometimes losing power during the power is off, if you put your flat blade screwdriver in underneath and just bend that contact up a little, just to make sure that it's sitting up higher than the level of the plastic around it. That'll make sure it has a better grip on the battery when you reinsert the cell, which you can do like that. Then once the battery is replaced, just put the blanking panel back on. Obviously, when you take the battery out, the memory contents will be wiped, and also the real-time clock will lose its setting. It'll ask you to enter the time and date when you power the machine on for the first time, and you go through the usual memory wipe process and reload the backup that I hope you took before you took the battery out.